Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to actually show you how to turn on rear seat heaters in your Tesla, guys. So first things first, actually, guys, you want to, open up the climate controls, okay? So this is what you need to do, guys. So on your Tesla touchscreen, you want to tap on climate, the climate icon at the bottom of the screen to open up the climate settings, guys, okay? And then you want to look for the heater icons at the bottom. Just tap on the rear seat section to activate the rear seat heaters. And guys, basically for each rear seat, just tap once to set low, or twice for medium, and three for high, okay? Once for low, twice for medium, and thrice for high. You can also customize the heat level for each seat individually. So you just tap on the seat icons and you can adjust it that way, guys. Literally that easy and simple, guys. And that's it, guys. This is perfect for those colder days. Make sure you check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further. And until then, guys, make sure you subscribe and see you in the next